Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nokia 235 and let me share with you how to change the screen brightness on this device. So you can change the screen brightness using the manual option. First of all, we have to open the menu, so press the middle button, go down and left to find the settings. Press select, so the middle button again, and enter the system options which are at the top, so press select. Now we have to go down to the backlight, press select, and the brightness, which is currently highlighted, is connected with the brightness of the screen. So by going to the right, we can make it much brighter, so the highest grade is 7, let's say, the highest level, and by going to the left we can make it much darker, and 1 is the lowest. So of course set it on the position which is the most comfortable for you and simply go back. This option will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.